Hi, I'm member number 1. Today we're going to explain about how to conduct the experiment for the static friction on an inclined plane. We're going to use a website to help us to put some of the numbers inside and see whether it can move the object or not. We're going to test two things. The first is we're going to test the friction. Is the friction higher can move the object, or the friction lower can move the object? The second thing we want to test is the angle. The angle higher or lower going to move the object. Thank you. Hi, I'm member number 2. We're going to test the task number 1. Just now my friend explained about we change the friction and whether it's going to move the object or not. We're going to fill in some of the value inside the website here. So let us look at some of the component we're going to fill inside. We have the initial velocity, we'll put 0, and then the gravity 9.8, and after that we're going to check start from 1. After we have 1, we click the start and see whether the object here is going to move or not. If not moving, then we're going to have X here. We will try for all the numbers, and if that number can move the object, then we will put yes. After trying it many times, we're going to get the number equals to 0.555, just example. And after that, we want to try the number it's going to move the object is 0.554. Also, we want to prove that is it this formula will become 0 or not. We will put in the value and we'll see, oh, it's becoming 0. This one is greater than 0. So my friend number 3 is going to explain about the angle. Let's go. This is the angle experiment. We're going to use the same website, and then we're going to key in the same value too here. So we have the starting velocity. We'll put 0 here. So we'll put everything inside this website, and then we're going to click start. If we put 0, it's not moving, so we will have X here. We'll do for all the angles here, and the angle that is moving, we'll put yes. We'll find the finest angle. Oh, we get 20.5, example 2. And then we'll do for the case when it start moving, 20.6. So we'll key in the numbers here to prove it equals to 0 or not. Okay, we'll go to our member 4 and member 5. Alright, I'm member 4. Okay, I want to explain about this discussion when we change the weight. Here, when we change the weight, this one, will it going to affect? We're going to affect the object to move or not to move. So we're going to prove it by putting the original weight, that is 10 kilograms, into the formula, and then we do calculation, it equals to 0. Now we're going to use a smaller weight. Why? Because it says that, oh, the weight of this object becomes smaller. We use example 3, and then we're going to put inside the formula, and it come out right hand side equals to 0. So we prove it already. So for the second task, different angle. If we have a different surface, will it make our angle become higher or lower? So we're going to test also. This is how we're going to do the testing here. Okay, I'm member 5. I want to do the conclusion for our experiment here. Okay, after conducting the experiment, so we'll find that our objective already achieved because we get the static friction. The block is start to move at 0.555. And for the second objective, we also achieved already. So the angle that the block start to move is 20.6 degrees. Okay, thank you. Bye.